welcome to the channel. My name is Lanarkshire and I'm very happy to present to you the Balloch by Barratt Homes. This is a beautiful home, great at a face with the classic brick by Barratt Homes there. Welcomed by a lovely airy hallway there, stairs and a peek of what's to come ahead, which is an open plan kitchen. Lovely doorway there leading into a spacious lounge. Moving in here, we can see they've gone for something a bit more contemporary in the decor here. Very modern, very classic, very beautiful modern pieces with touches of bold colors. I love the contrasts of the bold colors and the black and white. It's just screaming new, screaming beautiful. And that design behind the TV is normally they love their marble types, but I do love that texturized wall and it gives it beautiful accents. We have a great large window in this space that's letting in a lot of natural light, which we do love to see. This house does have touches of chocolate, which is exactly what that armchair represents here, and that dark wood under the telly there. Decorator went all out. I love what I see in here. What do you guys think? I think it's just gorgeous and done to a high spec. There was not a piece of space that was left bare or undecorated. I love that. Even down to the color of the walls, they just add so much warmth into that space. Across the lounge, we do have an office space designed to do exactly what it was made for. This office space is for one person and it does have a double window facing the front of the garden, the front of the house, meaning you'll be able to see your guests as they arrive from your office space. This office space, although it is quite small, it does provide you with all the space that you need for what it was created for, which is a great desk area, a seating area for anybody who's coming to pop in and check on you. And of course, we're going to have clocks for all the important cities and time zones. Down here, we also do have a WC. Of course, WCs are so important downstairs these days. I can't imagine going to someone's private quarters just to relieve myself. I do love the brick style half tiles here in this room, and they were not scared to go for the dark colors. Sometimes just going all in with the dark colors really does bring out the best in the space, and that contrast with the lighter color and the dark gray on the walls worked really well. The hallway continues on into the open plan kitchen diner. Now, this is a sort of surprising space because you don't expect it to be this length, but it offers you so much space and so much creativity that you can use. I love that the gray continues into the kitchen, but with this space, we do have a table that is comfortably fitting 8 people on there, and 8 people in this house is exactly what you would expect for special occasions. And then we do have French doors leading into the garden. These French doors lead to a gorgeous garden in this case that is very well done by Barratt Homes and done to a high spec. And the gray continues into the kitchen with the contrasting countertop there with light and airy countertops. We do have integrated appliances in here. There's an oven in there and an electric hob. And then, of course, this probably is my favorite part of the house. We do have a utility room that is just off the kitchen there, and it also connects to the garden, meaning you make that laundry time so much better when you do have access to the garden. The laundry space does have space for both the washer and dryer there, which makes it very functional. This is what you view from your kitchen. I think this is very well done. I love the countertops. I love that the sink looks over to the garden with 1.5 sinks there. Again, always remember with new builds, there is a chance that you are looking at extras. Extras meaning you have to pay a little bit more just to be able to get the look that you're looking at just now. Now we're gonna head on back into the hallway and now we're gonna head to the private quarters, the private cotas. So we're gonna see what's up there. I love that it is obviously breaking apart from the downstairs with a carpet, just to tell you that you're going into the cozy area. Now, once you enter upstairs, the first thing you will be looking into in this case is the bathroom, but we won't start there. We will start on the room to the left of the stairs there. And this room here seems very spacious. I am enjoying every single bit of this paint. I don't know where I'm gonna find it for my house, but I think it will be doing a good job hiding any sort of I don't know, mud, dirt on the wall compared to my crystal white walls at the moment. What I see here is a double bed with great space around it, be able to maneuver. We do have fitted wardrobe, which is ideal. That was a great bedroom, to be fair. Moving on into the next bedroom. The next bedroom also has integrated wardrobes, this time the sliding kind. And I can see that this bedroom here also has a double bed with two side table other side, so comfortable to move around and very functional. We also have a desk for the homework there. Great bedroom and great space. Moving on into the bathroom. The bathroom here is well presented. It does have a 3-piece bathroom here. So we've got the bathtub, toilet, and sink, which makes the room very functional. I really enjoyed the tiles in here. Then we're gonna move on into this lovely space. This bedroom here is gorgeous, and I do love the little checker wall there. It looks like a chessboard. That is humongous. I do love that. And I love the playfulness of this room, the colors and the chocolate on the wall. Beautiful. We do have space for a desk, and we do have integrated wardrobes again. I love that every room has had that so far, which makes the rooms very functional and livable. Moving on into the principal bedroom, need I say more? Integrated wardrobes again, and a huge headboard there. And what is a principal bedroom without an ensuite? This one is actually very well presented. We have half tiles, full tiles behind the shower, and a great WC there. So wonderful ensuite there. But the room itself is so spacious. It had a corner space to do your makeup and a lovely space room for a sideboard for all your socks and trinkets. That is all I had for you regarding this house. If you have any questions for me, let me know. Otherwise, I will see you on the next one. Au revoir. Bye.
Rio.